Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario Bros. 3 on Android. To begin, you will need an emulator, which is software that mimics the original Nintendo Entertainment System. This allows your Android device to run the classic game. There are several excellent NES emulators available, so choose one that is well regarded and compatible with your phone or tablet. Ensure your device has at least 2 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Next, you will need the game itself, which comes in a file called a ROM. Think of a ROM as a digital version of the game cartridge. While many ROMs are available online, it is generally recommended to only download ROMs for games you already physically own. Use a search engine to find a reliable source for the Super Mario Bros. 3 NES ROM file. Once you have both the emulator and the ROM, install the emulator application on your Android device. After installation, open the emulator and navigate to its file browser to load the Super Mario Bros. 3 ROM you downloaded. You can then customize the on-screen touch controls to your preference, or for a more authentic experience, connect a Bluetooth gamepad. Many emulators support various controller types. With everything set up, you are ready to embark on your adventure through the Mushroom Kingdom. Take a moment to fine-tune the video and audio settings within the emulator for the best possible experience. Remember to use the emulator's save state feature frequently, allowing you to pick up exactly where you left off. Enjoy rediscovering classic levels and mastering iconic power-ups like the Super Leaf.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.